Alright, I'm working on my DeWaLt or my Sears battery to DeWaLt converter. I got a see it. That's what I did. Cut off an old Sears drill, a 19.2. Well, the one takes these batteries. Okay. Cut off the drill and cut a hole in the bottom of the DeWaLt battery to fit, gotta measure it, whatever, to fit it. Push it up in there and cut this down so it'll fit, so the top will fit on it. And you can plug in your 19.2 and you get your voltage here, I'm not done with it yet. I got to hook it up to the lid. Put this on, wire this, make sure your polarity's right or you'll mess up your drill, the switch. Make sure everything's right on it, negative and positive. And I put a couple bolts through too. And just silicone this all around there and make it a little better, stronger, so it don't rock on there. I think it'll work out. And when I finish it, maybe I'll make another video and add. Looks like it'll work alright. Anyway, yeah, it was fairly easy. I seen some on the internet where guy made them, but they used a Ryobi battery on the bottom. But I had these batteries. We got a bunch of these batteries, 9.2s, Craftsman. So I made one for that battery. And I think it'll work. You know what I mean? Alright. That's about it for now. Okay? Anyway. See that? That's it. How about that, Mikey? Alright. That's it. Well, now, here it is. Done. Know what I mean? Put it in this saw. See that? Ha ha ha. See. Yeah, pretty good. I like it. Now I can use the Sears batteries to test out the DeWaLt stuff at work or whatever. Pretty cool. I had to make a couple more of them, I believe. Make one for myself. Alright. Okay.